Want a stunning Shopify store without spending a dime? Today, I'll show you exactly how to access free Shopify themes that elevate your store's look and feel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start by logging into your Shopify account. On the left-hand menu, click Online Store. This is your hub for all things related to your store's appearance. Scroll down until you see popular free themes. Here, Shopify curates a variety of free themes suitable for different business types and styles. Take your time exploring. They range from sleek and modern to classic and elegant. When you find a theme that catches your eye, click on it to view details and a live demo. This lets you see how the theme looks in a real-world store setup. Pro tip: choosing a theme isn't just about aesthetics. Think about functionality. Menus, product placement, and customer navigation all play a key role in converting visitors into buyers. If none of the free themes fit your needs, you can always visit the Shopify Theme Store to explore premium options. But starting with free themes is a smart way to launch your store and keep costs low. With these steps, you're ready to select, preview, and implement the perfect Shopify theme for your brand. Build your store confidently and create an engaging, visually appealing online presence. Thanks for watching and happy Shopify designing.